A while back, I made this video about customizing your i3 bar. And as I can see, this is quite a long video. And here I went into detail what which element is and how to rise it. And that was just about status bar. But if you want to theme Windows in your i3 and everything else, you can always visit the document page from i3. However, I find it the easiest just to take already made theme, and I will use Catpuccin because they have really themes for everything. So I don't have to think about which theme goes with which. And you can see there is really a lot of stuff that they have themes for. So let me find here i3, and here in the themes folder you can see they have a lot of flavors, and this is the preview of every theme they have. I will use Mocha. So what do? Well, first you go to one theme that you want, and here they set all the colors they will use in their theming. As far as I know, i3 still doesn't have possibility to import theme file into the config, so you have to put all the colors in your config file. So I will just copy all this, and then here at the beginning of the file I will make a space for theme. So first I import all the colors, and then if you go to their site, the usage is to put all this stuff in your config file. First way you can do it this way, and I will put this here. However, colors for the bar need to be under bar down in the config file, otherwise you will have two bars. So I will take this and just delete this one, and I will copy it here. And now when I save the file, reload the config, you can see everything has changed. The colors for the status bar, this thing up here, maybe you can see it better on the terminal, and indicator line and the borders. The best thing is to take existing theme and just change the colors here that you want. They set variable for rose water to be of some color, and when defining a specific color, they just use the variable that is taken from here. This is nice because you have only one place where you need to change the color, and here you decide how you want to distribute them. So instead of me explaining which part here is which, there is a fantastic website that actually gives you the preview of all the colors and how everything will look. So here's the thing. So you have the tiles, that's this part here, and then when you change a color, for instance, I can change this to this color, you will see that automatically color change for which this is defined. So this is the background of the urgent window. So here you can make your own theme and automatically see how it will look. And the best thing, when you set up everything here, you just copy these lines to your i3 config file and these lines to your i3 status config file. In my video about customizing i3 status bar, you can see this more in detail. And they have automatically everything for the D menu as well, because D menu is the default launcher for i3. So let me show you how this works for D menu, because D menu wasn't changed with this theme that I had for i3. Catpuccin has a separate theme for D menu, but instead of doing this, what I will do is copy these colors into this online configurator, and I already copied them here. And then I just copy this line and put it here where my D menu is configured. I actually don't need this part, and I save it, reload it. And now when I start my D menu, the new colors are here. As you can see, they're all changed. And I think I don't have to tell you anything else, because this is really everything you need. This one page, I will leave it in the description, but you can also see the address here. So go wild with your theming of the i3. And I just want to say one more thing. All my videos about i3 Window Manager will be in the playlist i3wm. And that's it for my part 3 on i3 Window Manager.